The manner is only dependent upon me.
It was beautiful Shabbat from BJX. It was great. It was nice. It was unity. Great to be here. Thank you very much.
It was so nice being with all different kinds of Jews and having this unity. It was amazing.
The food was incredible. The people were so inspiring.
Overall, an amazing experience, amazing people, amazing rabbis.
I got so much out of the Shabbos that I truly needed and my soul was like yearning for.
This is one of the most incredible Shabbosim I've experienced so far. The Finger Brothers are above and beyond, looking to help every single Jew, no matter who they are, from top to bottom, bottom to top, and everywhere in between. Thank you, BJX, for such an incredible Shabbos.
Very few times I cried genuinely by Ashivenu, watching my finger dancing with the Elam. I was literally crying. I could not stop crying.
To feel so much light and love from everybody. I love to come to BJX when I can.